What is the difference between series and parallel? In parallel, voltage is same. So in 3 LEDs, in parallel, and similarly a complete resistor. So using
this is the battery level indicator.
This is the battery level indicator. In this indicator, red light is not low. LED.
Red light not on.
So and this one is
On this battery, we have shown that how much the capacity we have known. For suppose 3 LEDs on means the battery has the full capacity when compared to second battery. Understood? Same from first one to second one. So this time red light also
low. Like
no.
that is
This
the
is
difference
also-
between the battery level.
This is also one of the simple project. We are finding the battery level.
Level indicators.
Okay. How much is battery capacity? 9 volts or 12 volts? Sir?